Hello everyone, welcome to the OneClass channel. My name is Marlon. I'm a second year University of Waterloo student. I'm studying chemical physics with a minor in math. Today I'm going to be working through some high school level and college level chemistry problems. If you need any extra homework help, be sure to check out the links in the description, or if you'd like some one-on-one tutoring. Okay, so for our first question, we would like to find out what a decomposition reaction is. And so a decomposition reaction is the breakdown of a compound into its 2+ components. And so it's typically the state the components would take at room temperature. And so let's say we have compound C that is made from the two ions positive A and positive B. When we talk about decomposition, that would mean that it is going from this state, from the compound state into its two constituents. And so it would usually take place with the addition of energy, and depending on the type of energy that you are adding in order to cause that breakdown, it would be classified under a different name. And so first and foremost, we would have thermal decomposition. And this is of course caused by heat, so it's when you use heat as a form of energy to cause the decomposition reaction. And a good example of this would be calcium carbonate, which would go into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Next up, we have electrolytic decomposition. And this is, of course, the case in which we're using electricity as the form of energy to cause the decomposition. And so a good example of this would be water decomposing under current to become 2H2 and 2O2. So as I said, it would typically decompose just into its constituents, how they tends to be at room temperature. So hydrogen gas is typically a gas, oxygen is typically a gas, CO2 is a gas, calcium oxide would be solid, so on and so forth. The third case is photolytic decomposition. And this is the case in which we're using light to cause the breakdown. And a good example of this would be silver chloride. To silver and chlorine gas, Okay, and of course, since you're using energy to cause the breakdown, we expect all of these to be endothermic. And that's it for this question.